Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Enable developer options and USB debugging so you can use ADB and make a full backup of app data because downgrades can erase settings. Once done, identify the app package name and your Android OS level so you pick a compatible older APK. Also check the app signature. If it changed, you'll need special steps. These first actions save time and prevent data loss, so make sure they're complete before moving on. Now you fetch the older APK and verify it matches the version code and signature. This avoids installer rejections. Then connect with ADB and either use a DB install R to replace or sideload through recovery if necessary. Using the device's APK installer works for most apps. If the app is system-signed or pre-installed, you may need root or to uninstall updates via a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 before installing. Make sure finish by disabling automatic updates in the Play Store for that app so it won't overwrite your older version, and then restore the backed up data. Once restored, manually grant runtime permissions. Test the app thoroughly to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, clear the package manager cache, reboot the phone, and retry the install. One key troubleshooting tip: capture ADB logcat output during install to pinpoint signature, permission, or compatibility failures so you can address the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.